After more than a decade of existence in the Gambia, while providing quality health care to the population, Sharab Medical Center has added newly built centers to its expanding portfolio in the country. The hospital's expanded facility includes new wards fitted with modern medical equipment. The new complex is an added section of the hospital, with the new gynecology and pediatric wards meant to help in the expansion of the medical services provided by this major health facility. Officials say the facility will help improve the services rendered to the public, hence the need for the new development. Dr. Abubakar Jah, the medical director of Sharab, calls for the increased private sector contributions in the improvement of the country's health sector.
It is imperative for the government, the parastatals, private companies, and individuals to support and boost this private sector in the Gambia. And it is the same private sector that propelled countries like India and Turkey, where we now go for medical care. We felt our people deserve better, and it is possible to establish a center where our own people can access advanced health care in a well-equipped hospital with staff that treat patients with dignity in a friendly and professional environment where they feel cared for. This will reduce the need to travel abroad for treatment and even encourage medical tourism to the Gambia from neighboring countries and beyond.
The Director of Health Services spoke of the need for access to quality medical care while hailing the Sharab Medical Center for the services they are rendering to the public.
As a ministry, our vision is one to increase access to health services. But it's not any type of access alone. We have distance as an issue. The facilities, we try as much as possible as a ministry to ensure that every person should be between 5 to 10 kilometers to a facility. But this is a big task we are working on, and creating this type of facilities will help improve that access. But the access we are having here is the one that we really need also, because many of our patients, we spend a lot of money. Every year we are fighting with finance, because we have a backlog of patients whom, the services that they need is not available in country, and we have to provide them overseas services. And anyone doing this to ensure that we reduce the number of people we send abroad is doing a great service to this country.
Usman Ba, the Minister of Communication and Digital Economy, said there is a need to encourage Gambians to venture into innovations that will help in the development of the nation.
So we need to encourage people like Dr. Abubakar Jah and others to come and build something like we are celebrating today. It is the only way we can succeed. As I stated, everywhere I go, nobody can do it for us but ourselves. And we should encourage our citizens to continue to do the right thing for our country.
Omar Job, chairman of the board of Sharab, highlighted the vision of Medical Center and its contributions to the development of the country.
By creating the enabling environment, government will further make it possible for the private sector to help generate local and foreign income, as well as to create decent jobs for Gambians. Now, I would like to submit that Sharab focuses on giving quality services rather than making profit. And to give back to the community, we engage in many philanthropic activities, including free medical services to those who cannot afford it as part of our corporate social responsibility.
Sharab Hospital has been in existence for 12 years, with the aim of rendering quality and affordable healthcare to Gambians. The building of these new wards, according to officials, is expected to help reduce the expenses spent on the search for medical attention beyond the Gambia. Hawan Jai, Justice News.